part 2. This is a continuation of number 3. Now we'll be focusing on number 4. Now let's take a look at this diagram, which is the first diagram here. So here we are given this angle 50 degrees, and then we know, guys, that if we have this angle here, so that means this angle to get this one here over here, we're going to say 180 degrees minus that 50, which is this one, divided by 2. And then you get this angle. Automatically will be the same as this one here. Only this portion. Alright. And then we do the same well on this side. On this side we have 130. For us to get this angle, guys, it's very easy. You just say 180 degrees minus that angle, which is 130, divided by 2. And then you're going to get that angle. Automatically will be the same as this one. Then to get y, remember, is this part, which is the whole portion here. So y, guys, is going to be the red line plus the blue line. Then you're going to get the orange one in total. Alright, now let's get to it now. Now let's start by getting x. So x is going to be d, which is dbc, which is this one, dbc. Alright, so I can just say x here is equal to 180 degrees. Let me just open a space for the reason. Equal to 180 degrees minus 130 divided by 2. Reason being, it's going to be base angles of isosceles triangle. Alright, and then 180 minus 130 is going to be 50 divided by 2, which is 25. So meaning that the value of x, which is this one, that one is 25, will also this one be 25. Alright, so this is now 25 degrees. This is also 25 degrees. Alright, then now we move on to the upper triangle. Now let's move on to this triangle, this one over here. Then we're going to do the same. So that's going to be angle AC. Let me use the same color, angle ACB, which is, when I'm saying ACB, I mean this one, yeah, ACB, which is this one. So it's going to be also 180 degrees minus 50 degrees divided by 2. And then reason says the same, that is base angles of isosceles triangle. And then the answer here is gonna be 65 degrees. So 65 degrees is this angle here. It is this portion 65 degrees, which is this part here. Only this portion is 55, and then this one is 25. Now y, guys, is this portion, which is 25 plus 65. That is the y, is the whole part here, which is that portion. So we can just say, therefore, y is equal to 65 degrees plus 25. So 65 plus 25 is going to be 90 degrees. Then we are done, guys, by getting the value of y. Now let's move on to the second diagram. Now let's look at diagram B, guys. So here again we are given x here, and we know that that x will be the same as that angle over here. Alright, so you know, guys, the story that for you to get x, you have to say 180 degrees minus the top angle, which is 120, and then don't forget to divide by 2. So what we are going to get here, which is 30, is going to be the value of x, which will be the same as that angle. Why? Because these are the opposite angles of equal sides. Here are the sides that are equal, that cause these two angles to be the same. Alright, and then from here, in fact, let's just write it down. And then now I can say in triangle BCD, in triangle BCD, meaning that I'm only working in this triangle right now. So in this triangle, I'm saying, I'm going to say x is equal to 180 degrees minus 120 divided by 2. Reason being, that is the base angles of isosceles triangle, and that is the symbol for triangle, not D. And then here x will be just 30 degrees here. So that means this angle here is 30 and this one also is 30, but let's just work out this one as well. So you can simply say therefore angle B is equal to angle C. Here I'm only saying B because I've already indicated here that I'm working only in this triangle, guys, only this one. So there's no need to be specific that is B1 or B2 or that A or ABD and stuff. No, but I've already indicated here that I'm working only on this triangle, so hence I'm just saying B. So B will be equal to X, equal to C, and then reason being that is opposite or angles opposite, okay, equal sides. Then that means therefore angle C will also be 30 degrees. Then now let's look at the value of Y, which is that. How can you find Y? So guys, to find Y, it's easy because this angle here, we do have this angle is 30 degrees, and then for us to find Y, we need to get this angle, the whole part here, the whole part, this one, yeah, so that we're gonna say this angle minus this, and then it's gonna give us this one here. All right, then from here we can just draw this triangle, the bigger one, the triangle ABC. You can just take it out, just draw it aside so that you will be able to see clearly this angle that I'm talking about, which is this one here. So there you have 56 degrees. So it's easy, guys, to find this angle. Also this one, you use the same method, which is this one. So we're gonna just say 180 degrees minus 56 divided by 2. Then you're gonna get this angle here. Automatically this one as well, because they are equal, guys. All right, then this is gonna be that 56. So that angle there, when you just divide by 2, you're gonna get 62 degrees. So this is 62 degrees. This is also 62 degrees. These two angles are the same. And then now, so meaning that this angle that I've highlighted in red in color, so that one is 62. So we're gonna say 62 minus this one, the smaller one, which is 30. So 62 minus 30, and then we're gonna get this portion here. Then we are done, guys. So let me just write it down here. Yeah, so I said in triangle ABC, that means I'm talking only about the bigger one. Angle ACB, I mean this one, ACB, meaning that this one. So it's 180 degrees minus 56 divided by 2. The answer is 62 degrees. Reason being, that is the base angles of isosceles triangle. Then so automatically this one is also 62. So now to find Y will be 62 minus 30. So therefore the angle of Y is equal to 62 degrees and then minus 30 degrees, and then the answer is gonna be there. It must be 32 degrees. That is the value of Y, guys, which is this small portion here. This one here is 32 degrees, this one, and then 32 plus 30 is gonna give us 62 degrees. All right, so we are done in number 4. Now let's move on to number 5, guys.